Welcome to Regenamex, where advanced HGH therapy meets hope and healing. Today, we dive into the transformative benefits of human growth hormone, HGH therapy in Mexico, a vibrant country at the forefront of medical tourism. Mexico's modern medical centers, cost-effective treatments, and exceptional patient support are drawing in people from around the globe seeking innovative healthcare solutions. Human growth hormone, HGH, is a vital protein hormone composed of 191 amino acids produced in the pituitary gland. It plays a crucial role in stimulating growth, cell reproduction, and regeneration. Beyond childhood growth, HGH maintains, builds, and repairs tissues in the brain and other organs, boosts muscle growth, and enhances overall physical performance. Its influence on metabolism and body composition makes it essential for maintaining youthful vigor and function. At Regenamex Clinic, we specialize in advanced HGH treatments for growth hormone deficiency, anti-aging, and overall wellness. Our process begins with a comprehensive evaluation to tailor a personalized treatment plan. We use high-quality HGH, ensuring purity, viability, and potency to maximize therapeutic potential. The administration of HGH is customized to the patient's needs, whether through injections or other methods. Post-treatment care at Regenamex includes regular follow-ups to monitor progress and optimize outcomes. Our clinic's commitment to quality and safety, combined with our collaboration with top-tier laboratories, ensures the highest standards of care. Choosing Mexico for HGH therapy offers a unique opportunity to access world-class treatments at a fraction of the cost compared to other countries. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring stories and medical breakthroughs. Hit the like button, share this video, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. Together we can spread hope and healing through cutting-edge HGH therapy.